You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this beautiful villa located in Milan, in Italy. Let's break it down. It's also a museum, okay? A casa museo is how they call it in Italian. A villa is how you say villa in Italian. Necchi, Necchi, okay, so CH is pronounced like a K in Italian. Double CH really means that you have to emphasize on this K sound, okay? Necchi. Villa, Necchi. Campiglio. Campiglio, okay? GL is pronounced pretty much like an L. It's a little bit different, not exactly, but you could pronounce it pretty much like an L and ignore the G. Okay. Campiglio, Campiglio. Villa Necchi Campiglio. In English, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can simply say it as Villa Necchi Campiglio. And now you got it. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.